Step inside a home where rural charm meets refined functionality, where the interiors draw inspiration from the timeless elegance of English country houses, creating a space that feels both warm and wonderfully lived in. The designer of the house, Pandora Taylor, drew from the verdant character of Herne Hill, channeling a countryside feel through elements like leafy wallpaper, green cabinetry, and soft, tactile fabrics. Captures this essence with a lush beach document green wallpaper and Edward Bulmer's invisible green cabinets, setting a tone of richness and depth. Complemented by vintage furniture, the space evokes a warm, inviting scullery vibe that feels both historic and comforting. Throughout the home, Taylor emphasized continuity and depth, using heritage paint tones and natural materials. Spaces are painted in muted yet characterful colors such as Parma gray, cock green, and slipper satin, establishing a gentle color story that evolves from room to room. This subtle palette allows for the thoughtful layering of antique and vintage pieces, such as reclaimed timber mantels and aged armchairs. Unique fireplaces and other storied elements contribute to a richly textured atmosphere, full of character and warmth. Bespoke elements like a custom kitchen table, paneled seating, and tailored curtains and wash linens enhance the home's intimate, cottage-like appeal. Taylor balanced originality and adaptability, leaving room for evolution while incorporating the client's existing antiques and future possibilities. Elegance extends into the bathrooms and bedrooms, where antique chests are repurposed as vanities and striped tiles add a touch of playful sophistication. Luxurious fabrics soften the spaces, creating a balance of comfort and timeless style.